A very good morning. Myself, Mrs. R. Deepa, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Commerce, Arulmigu Palaniyandavar Arts College for Women, Palani. Today, we going to discuss about a very interesting and useful topic in day-to-day life, that is electronic fund transfer. Before we going to know about electronic fund transfer, we want to know what is mean by e-commerce. E-commerce is nothing buying or selling of goods and services or transferring of funds through electronic medium is known as electronic commerce. Next, we coming into our topic, electronic fund transfer. Electronic fund transfer is a digital money movement from one bank account to another. As a digital transaction, there is no need for paper documents because we are transferring the fund from one account to another account through online medium. So we no need for to use offline transaction. We use online transaction to transfer money from one account to another account through electronic fund transfer. There are three processes involved in electronic fund transfer. First, entering supplier master information. Next, entering payment instrument default. Entering bank account information. These are the three processes involved in electronic fund transfer. Next, various modes of electronic fund transfer in India, that is NEFT, RTGS and IMPS. First, we going to see about NEFT. NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer. The National Electronic Fund Transfer is nationwide money transfer system which allows customers with the facility to electronically transfer the money from one bank account to any other bank account or one bank account to another same bank account. Fund transfer through NEFT requires transferring bank and the destination bank details. Before transferring funds through National Electronic Fund Transfer, you register the beneficiary receiving funds. For this, you must possess information such as name of the recipient bank name, valid account number belonging to the recipient and their IFSC code. These details is most important to transfer the amount from one bank account to another bank account using NEFT. Next, RTGS, real time gross settlement. In real time gross settlement, it is also used to transfer the funds from one bank account to another in real time or gross basis. The main difference between the NEFT and RTGS is we can transfer 1 rupees in NEFT, but we cannot transfer 1 rupees in RTGS. In RTGS, we can only transfer above 2 lakhs. There is limit in the RTGS, but we can transfer small amount in the NEFT, but we cannot do in RTGS. This is major difference between NEFT and RTGS. Next, immediate payment system. The National Payments Corporations of India introduced a mobile payment project is known as immediate payment system. In immediate payment system, they can also transfer the amount in very secure way. IMPS offered on all the cellular devices via mobile banking or through SMS facilities. Next, in immediate payment system, they can able to transfer money via IMPS route. You must first register for IMPS services with your bank. This is known as immediate payment system. Next, next we can discuss about what are the difference between NEFT, RTGS and immediate payment system. In minimum transfer value in NEFT is rupees 1, but in RTGS 2 lakh, but in immediate payment system we can transfer 1 rupee from one bank account to another bank account. Maximum transfer value is no limit in NEFT, also in RTGS, but there is limit in immediate payment system. We can transfer only up to 2 lakh. Next, payment mode. NEFT can done in both online and offline. RTGS can also done in both online and offline, but immediate payment system can done only in the online. Next, settlement type. In settlement type can made both online and offline in NEFT. RTGS also accept both online and offline, but IMPS accept only online. Next, settlement time. The NEFT settlement time up to 2 hours. In RTGS, the fund transfer the fund can transfer immediately. In immediate payment system, the fund can transfer immediately. Operational time. In NEFT, we can use 24/7, but RTGS they varies from one bank to another bank. In immediate payment system, we can use 24/7. Transaction charge. If we use NEFT for online transaction, we need not to pay any charge. And RTGS also we need not to pay any charges, but in IMPS it differs from one bank account to another bank account. Next, we going to see about what are the advantages of electronic fund transfer. There are many advantages in electronic fund transfer. First, it increase efficiency and productivity. Second, it manage cash flow easily. Next, safety and control, and it saves money. Next, less paperwork. Next, eliminate the risk associated with lost, stolen or misdirected checks. These are the main advantages of electronic fund transfer. Electronic fund transfer is simply we can say it is a fast, simple, safe and secure to transfer the fund from one account to another account through electronic fund transfer. Next, disadvantages. Main drawback in electronic fund transfer is risk of security issue. Next, if you entered target account number incorrectly, there is no way to reverse the transaction. If we entered the wrong account number, we cannot reverse the transaction, since the bank would process the transaction under the belief that the information you provided is accurate. The bank checks whether we entered the correct information or not, then it will give permission to manage the account. Next, once an amount is transferred, the bank cannot reverse a transaction. If we transfer a amount from one account to another account, the bank cannot reverse the transaction. So these are the main drawbacks in the electronic fund transfer. Thank you, students.